Hi everyone, good evening. I think we will wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to join and then we will start with today's webinar. Okay, hi everyone, good evening. So, can you all hear me? Just drop a yes if you can hear me clearly. Okay, so we will begin in a couple of minutes. So, I'm so happy that you all have taken out time from your busy schedule and joined in this session today. So, how are you all spending your time at home during this festive season? Are you guys working or in school or college, studying from home? What do you guys do? Let's interact a bit. I think the responses are, I'm getting a bit delayed. So, yeah. Good evening, Jayanti, Ashok, Revati, and everyone else. Nandyala is saying I'm studying from home. Okay, nice to know. Then Syamant is saying festive season over. Yeah, but we do have a couple of festivals lined up during November and December. So I'm really excited for that. Janran is saying good evening, everybody. Nice to meet you. That's great. That's great, Janardhan. Good to know you. Okay, so Satyama is saying I'm working from school. I'm working in school. Good to know about that. Good evening, Saurav. So it's almost time now, and now we will start with today's webinar. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to STEP. Thank you so much for joining us today in this session about STEP Coach Unlimited. I hope you will learn something from today's webinar, and let's see what this course has in it for you. Revant is saying preparing for exams. That's great. So, good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to today's webinar on Step for Coach Unlimited. I'm Shruti, and today I'm going to take you through all the components of Step Coach Unlimited, and we are going to explore the different courses that this course has to offer. And along with that, we are also going to meet few of our coaches and understand their passion towards helping you improve your English communication skills. So, are you all ready? Can we start now? And also, I would like to mention that if you have any doubts or queries in between the session, you can drop them in the comments and our moderator will answer your queries. And apart from that, we will also have a Q&A session towards the end of this webinar. Okay. Also, along with that, I would also like to tell you all that all the attendees of today's webinar, we have something for you guys. So do wait till the end of this session, and then we are going to tell you about something special which we have only for you guys who are present in today's webinar. So I hope you will stay till the end to unlock the unique learning experience and to know about this course. Now let us begin. Before we start with today's session, I have some of the poll questions for you all. I'm going to drop them in poll option. So you will see that in the chat box there, you will get a poll option, and you will have to just click on the correct option and select the correct answer. Okay. So poll number 1 will go live in front of you now. Do you want to improve your English but can't attend classes? I'll wait for a couple of seconds and then we will start with our webinar. Okay. So I think most of you have already dropped your answers. Let's wait for a couple of seconds and then we will proceed further. Okay. So I think most of you have dropped your answers. 75% of you think that you are unable to improve your English because you cannot attend classes. Maybe you cannot find the correct coaching institute for you, or maybe you are unable to find the right skills needed. Let us look at poll number 2. Do you think the best way to develop your speaking and writing skills is through practice? Do you think so? I'll wait for a couple of seconds and then we will proceed further. So drop your answers in the poll session. Yeah, so I think most of you have already dropped your answers and it's 100% yes. So you all think that you can improve your English speaking and writing skills through regular practice, which is absolutely correct. And now we are going to proceed with our presentation. So before we begin, I would also like to mention that as you can see, there's as you all can see that there's a chat box present in the right hand side of the screen. So you can use the chat box to connect with me to post any questions or queries that you have, and our moderator will answer them. Then we also have this sticky note section in which we are going to display anything which is important that we're going to post in the sticky note section. So you can see that we will use that part towards the end of this webinar. So yeah, that's all. Now let's proceed further. Also, if you have any queries, you can drop them in the comments, and our moderator will answer them. And yeah, so let's start now. 50 people have already joined in. Welcome you all. Welcome to Step Coach Unlimited webinar. I'm Shruti, and today we are going to look at the module Step Coach Unlimited and how this course will help you to improve your overall English communication. We are also going to meet with our coaches and understand their passion towards helping you improve your English communication skills. That's not all. Towards the end of this webinar, we do have something exciting for you guys. We do have a voucher for you all to help you get this course at a very reasonable price. So do wait till the end of this session to know more about what exactly we have for you. So, since we have had the poll session now, I would like to know what are the difficulties that you face when you are communicating in English? What are the problems that you face? Lack of words, pronunciation, fluency. What are the problems? Just drop them in the comments and I will look at it. Thank you, Sanjeet. So I'll wait for a couple of minutes so that you can drop your answers in the comments and then we will proceed further. I'll be waiting for your answers, so do type them in. Shivraj is saying fluency. Shabir is saying lack of words. Fluency, lack of words, hesitation, communication. I don't get words immediately. So I can see most of you are dropping your answers and it's quickly going up. All of them, lack of words. Yeah. Yep. So you all will agree that most of the times you people or any general person might fear the following points when it comes to communicating in English: not getting right words, proper words, lack of words, vocabulary, and so on. So many of you are dropping your answers. That's great. I am so happy to know that you all are so interactive, and I hope this energy stays towards also till the end of this webinar. Okay, so to be this interactive throughout the session. So as you all know that most of the times you all will agree with me that these are the few problem areas that most of us have. We fear or we are not confident enough when we speak in English, and that's the reason we are unable to have a proper fluency when it comes to speaking in English or communicating in English with someone. Then most of you might also agree with me that you all face grammatical issues, or maybe you are unable to pronounce few words correctly. Because of that, you again have lack of confidence and then it affects your fluency. Most importantly, vocabulary. Now vocabulary, most of the time we are unable to express ourselves because we do not know exactly what's the exact English word for that expression, or maybe we are out of words. So do you all agree with me that these are the problem areas that most of us have when it comes to English communication skills? So yeah, most of you have already dropped your answer, and that's the reason we are here. That's the reason this webinar is being conducted today, to help you understand about the different ways in which you can improve your overall English communication and in which you can help yourselves to become better English speakers and confident English learners, right? So that's the reason we have Step Coach Unlimited. And today we are going to discuss not just about Step Coach Unlimited, but also we are going to look at how exactly you can improve your overall English communication and what are the points that you should focus on. So I hope you will stay and learn about it. All right, so let's proceed further. How can we improve our English communication skills? As you saw that those are the problem areas that we have. So what exactly should we focus on to improve our English communication skills? How can we do that? Drop your answers. in the comments, and I'll be happy to read them. I'll wait for a couple of seconds and then we'll proceed further because I think the answers are coming in a bit delayed. Shagun is saying by listening, Rahul is saying newspapers. Yeah, it will improve your writing skills also, and that's what we are going to discuss in upcoming slides. Mohad. So Shivraj is saying practice, to talk to others, practice, proper guidelines, listening, and so many answers, right? Okay, so let us look at how exactly we can improve our overall English communication skills. And that's what we come towards immersive and contextual learning. So, do you all know what exactly is immersive and contextual learning? Do you have any idea about the same? Well, let me tell you about the same. Immersive and contextual learning focuses on learning by immersing yourself towards everyday life situations, learning from learner centric model, that is what exactly the learner wants to uh, focus on, what are the weak areas, and so on. So it is a kind of one-on-one personalized attention based learning, and that is what we focus on in our Step Coach Unlimited course. Not just in Step Coach Unlimited, but in all our courses. All our courses are designed in such a way that it focuses on immersive and contextual learning to help you understand about the course and to give you proper one-on-one interaction, which in turn will help you to develop your overall pronunciation, English spellings, reading, writing, and listening skills. So let us look at how exactly you can focus on immersive and contextual learning. Yes, you're right, Aditi and Lucky, that you should focus on English conversation with others, which will in turn help you to improve your English communication skills. That's what brings us to practice. Make English a habit, not just for today or tomorrow, but for every day. You need to incorporate it in your lifestyle to make it a part of your lifestyle so that you can improve your English communication skills. Which brings us to how exactly you can achieve that. Now, we have four areas. That is, a general research has been done which has made us come towards these four areas, that is listening, speaking, reading, and writing, which constitute the overall English communication skills. So, you need to focus on developing these four key areas in order to make yourself better English learners and confident English speakers. Now, how you can develop these few skills? What are exactly the problem areas, or how you can exactly focus on improving these key points? That is what we are going to focus on today. So, you can improve your listening skills by reading newspapers, or you can just go through podcasts or TV series which you can watch in English in order to learn from the foreign accent, how exactly to pronounce the words. Now that's what listening skills is. So in our free time, mostly we try to go through web series and so on. But instead of doing that, you should try to watch English learning videos which are in English language. That will help you to develop listening skills. Maybe you will discover a set of few words as well. Now, next we come to speaking. What exactly you can do to improve your speaking skills? For improving your speaking skills, you should communicate in English, not just today but every day with someone you know. It could be your friends, your family members, or if you do not have anyone to talk to, you can simply record yourself and listen to it and analyze how exactly you can improve yourself, or what are the areas where you're making mistakes and how exactly you can convert those mistakes into proper English language, or how exactly you can focus on them. Now, next we come to reading. Reading, reading speed is also important when it comes to developing overall English communication, and you can develop your reading skills by reading newspapers, articles, and a number of variety of texts. Reading skills are important because it helps you to get an idea about different writing styles, which you can incorporate in your writing. And then we come to writing skills. Now, writing skills are necessary for everyone, not just for someone who is a student, but for all aspects of life. Writing skills are needed everywhere. And for that, you can improve it when you are aware of grammatical rules, when you are aware of proper English spellings and the format of writing, like how exactly you can write letters or emails and so on. So, we are going to discuss how exactly Step Coach Unlimited focuses on improving your overall English communication and focus on these four key areas. So, are you all there with me till now? Just drop a yes in comments so I can know that you all are able to listen to me and understand what I'm trying to say. With that, we come towards, have you ever wished for someone to listen to you when you speak in English and correct your mistakes so that you can improve yourself? So many yes. Okay, great. I can see the energy is really very nice. You all are really interactive and you all are listening to me. That's great. So now we are here towards our third poll, and I'm going to drop this poll in front of you, and you will have to select the correct option or the most favorable option according to you. Okay, so I will wait for a couple of seconds and then we will go further. Have you ever wished for someone to listen to you when you speak in English and correct your mistakes to help you improve? We all have had those kind of situations in which we make mistakes, but most of the times we are like, how exactly we can correct that, or I wish someone could improve or help me improve my communication skills. But most of the times with friends and family, it does not really become it's not that professional, or maybe they may not know how exactly they can help you to improve your communication skills or speak or your language skills. Which brings us to this course, and we are going to see how exactly we are here to help you improve your language skills. Now we have next poll question for you. Have you ever wished for someone to read your writing and give you personalized attention on how to improve it? Have you ever wished for that? You can drop your answers in the poll, which I have dropped in just now. The poll is live in front of you, and you can click on your answers. Okay, so 81% of you think, sorry, it's going up now. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, so 83% of you think that you can improve your reading and writing through personalized attention, and that is exactly true. You can improve your English skills by getting one-on-one personalized feedback from your coaches or mentors, and which will help you to understand what are your weak areas and how exactly you can work on them. Right? So let's proceed further, which brings us to Step Coach Unlimited. Now, you all have seen that what are the problem areas that you all have. You all have understood that the speaking skills are there, then writing skills, reading and listening skills. These are the four skills of English communication. Now, which apart from that, you all have also gone through that you all lack your vocabulary, pronunciation mistakes. Most of you all are not aware of how exactly you can improve your grammatical mistakes and so on. So that's the reason we have this course for you, that is Step Coach Unlimited. Now, Step Coach Unlimited is a personalized one on one attention based course which focuses on providing you with unlimited coach calls and a number of webisodes and teaching sessions. Along with that, it has a number of assignments and a combination of three different courses along with two live classes. So, we are going to look at how exactly Step Coach Unlimited is designed to help you improve your overall English communication. Now, you all have seen or you all have heard me talk about Coach Call feature a number of times. I have mentioned Coach Call, I don't know, I think 4 or 5 times in this webinar ever since this presentation started. So you must be wondering what exactly is a Coach Call. So Coach Call is exactly a short form for a speaking call in which you get an opportunity to interact with the coach and learn about how exactly you can improve your English pronunciation skills. You are given a set of tasks which you need to perform, and the coach will guide you and make you understand what are your weak areas and how you can improve them. Not just that, at the end of each coach call, you get a mini teach session by the coach who helps you to understand what are your weak areas and how you can improve that. So this is exactly what a coach call focuses on. Coach call has two components. One is the speaking call and the writing call. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the speaking call, and we are going to discuss the format of a speaking coach call. So as you can see in front of you, this is the flowchart of the speaking coach call. So first of all, you will be given instructions for a task which will be given to you by the coach. Now, these instructions are given to you in the coach call once you join the coach call by clicking on the website and selecting a time and schedule as per your convenience. So you need to select and click on time and suitable date as per your convenience, and after that you will be joining the coach call. Once you join in, you will be given instructions for the task by the coach, which will be based on anything. It could be a role play or something related to everyday discussion on a particular topic, which will help you to get an opportunity to freely produce the language. So we are going to discuss it by using a audio sample. So I'll be playing an audio sample in front of you to help you understand how exactly a coach call takes place and what exactly happens in a speaking coach call. So I'll be playing this audio in parts to help you understand about the scene. So let us start.
Okay, Preeti. So next, let's do an activity. I will be giving you a scenario and we can role play that scenario. So the scenario is you are at a dry cleaning center and you had given your suit for dry cleaning, and when you collected it after the dry cleaning, you realized the suit was burnt in multiple areas. So you have come back to the store now and you're asking for a refund. So I'm going to be the cashier and you are going to be the customer. So let's role play this. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was that was the first part in which instructions are provided by the coach to the learner, and then the learner will be performing the task in the next part. So now once the task instructions have been provided, the learner performs the task, which could be based on a presentation, role play, or discussion. Now in a speaking coach call, uh, some of the tasks are given during the coach call that could be related to role play, discussion, and so on. And some of the tasks are given prior to the coach call, which could be related to prepared speech about a particular topic, which could be based on your intonation, stress, and so on, discussing the focus of the language. So let us look at the task 2, in which the learner performs the task which has been given by the coach. And I'll be playing this audio for you.
Hi ma'am, welcome to our store. How can I help you?
Hi. I got my suit dry cleaned from you yesterday, but after reaching home, I realized that there are holes in my suit because of overheat. How you could be so careless?
We sincerely apologize for the mistake, ma'am. This is the first time we are receiving a complaint of this kind. We have always provided satisfactory service to our customers. We're really sorry for this.
Now, what are you going to do about this loss?
I can't take a decision, ma'am. My manager's out of town. Once he is back, I'll explain what happened and we will see what we can do.
I need the refund. I cannot able to wait till your manager comes back. This is very serious issue.
I get it, ma'am. The maximum I can do from my side is give you my manager's email ID. You could drop him an email asking for a refund.
Okay, I will do that then. Give me his email ID, please.
Sure, this is his business card. The email ID is mentioned at the bottom. I would like to apologize again for what happened. You are a loyal customer, ma'am. We look forward to serving you again.
No problem. Thank you.
So that was the part in which the coach and the learner performs the task. The coach performed the task along with the learner. So what do you think? Will this kind of task-based call help you improve your English communication skills? And what do you think? How did the coach perform? Did you like the speaking part or did you find it useful? Drop your answers in comments and I'll be happy to read them out. Someone is saying they have dropped a number of mails. See, this is a webinar for our learners. So I think you should contact a support team instead of um, destroying the environment of this webinar because a number of people are here to learn about this course. So I think it will be more useful if you drop a mail and contact from the support team number instead of going on typing here. Okay, I hope it helps. Mohad Kasim. So yeah, most of you think that these kinds of task-based session between coach and learner will help you to develop your English communication skills. And that is exactly what immersive and contextual learning focuses on. It focuses on day-to-day ideas and day-to-day tasks based on which you are given a conversation on which you need to talk about, which in turn helps you to develop your everyday communication and conversation skills. Well, let's look at a poll just to check if you were listening to the audio properly. So I'm going to drop a poll in front of you and you need to respond to that. Lucky is saying it seems good and I think it will be beneficial for improving my communication skills. That's good to know. That's good to know, Revati, that you find it useful. So I'll wait for a couple of seconds till you drop your answers in the poll and then we will proceed further. Most of you have dropped in the correct answer and some of you have chosen the wrong answer. I think you were not listening to the audio. Okay. So yeah, as you all have dropped in, the correct answer is the role play language focused mainly on how exactly you can raise a complaint, which is exactly what Preeti and the coach were discussing about. Preeti was raising a complaint about the problem that she had faced, and the coach who was responding to the problem politely. So you saw how exactly they were having the conversation, and you could see that is exactly how the role play focuses on developing your conversation skills. Well, that's not just it. Then we have, I'm going to close the poll now. Next, we have once the coach and the learner performs the task, the coach gives feedback to the learner, which helps them to understand about the errors that they made in the language, the quality of content, and pronunciation. It could be related to whether there were some grammatical mistakes or maybe few of the words which she did not speak correctly. Maybe she made mistakes in speaking about the words. Most of the times we come across situation and instances in which we are out of words or we do not know what exactly we should speak or we do not have exact correct vocabulary for a word. So those are the areas that coach call focuses on, and the coach will provide you feedback about the same. So based on how you perform the task, coach will be giving you feedback about it. So let us look at how exactly this takes place. I'm going to play the next audio for you where Preeti is given feedback by the coach. So let us listen to it to understand what happens in the feedback session of the coach call. And I'm going to play it for you.
Very good, Preeti. That was a nice conversation. You did not scream at the cashier and you're very polite, and you did not use much fillers. You're very fluent. As a listener, it was very clear for me, and your pronunciation also was correct in most places.
Thank you, ma'am.
So while we were doing the role play, I noted down a few errors, and can we look at them now?
Yes.
Okay. So you said, after reaching home, I realized that there are holes in my suit because of overheat. Do you think we can rephrase this to make it sound better?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
So what would you use instead of there are holes in my suit because of overheat?
Can I use burn?
Okay. You're almost right. So would you say burn or burnt? So this has already happened. It's completed. So what tense should you use? Is it burn or burnt?
Past tense, ma'am.
So how would you frame this sentence again?
Burnt. I realized that my suit was burnt.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you also said how you could be so careless. Do you think this is right? Because this is a question. So it's only about a matter of rearranging the words that you've used. How you could be so careless. If you had to rearrange two words in this sentence and make it a right question, how would you do it?
Can I say how you can be so careless?
Not exactly. You don't have to change a word. You just have to reorder the words that you've used. So you said how you could be so careless. So I'm just saying you need to rearrange the words that you've used.
Yes, ma'am. How could you be so careless?
Exactly.
So that was how exactly the coach gives feedback to the learner based on the mistakes that they made, and she also helped her to understand how she can correct that and understand from that. So this is exactly what a coach call focuses on. So do you think these kinds of feedback will help you improve your communication skills? Do you think so? Drop your answers in the comments and I'll be happy to read them out. So I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds. Shivraj is saying yes. Rukmini, Bhaskara, and so many yeses. Yes. So Kritika, yeah. So definitely these kinds of feedback about what are the mistakes that you made and how you can improve them will help you to improve and develop your communication skills. We all know that we cannot copy anyone else when it comes to speaking in English or communicating. We all have our own set of vocabulary and own set of words which we use. So instead of superimposing own words into the learner, the coach tries to correct the learner based on the learner's natural flow of language, and that is what helps them to develop their English communication skills in an easy way. Yep. So once that is done, we come towards the last part of the speaking coach call, which is short grammar session on vocabulary and exercise. So once feedback is given, the coach will do a mini teach session based on the mistakes that they made, which could be related to grammar, function, vocabulary, and so on. So let us play audio and listen to it and understand how coach corrected Preeti and what are the teach session that was done to her. So let us listen to that.
Now that you have confusion with articles, Shall we look at them in detail?
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
of and the and all of that. Let's look at them in
Yes,
detail.
ma'am.
Preeti, in English we use and the as articles. For today or in today's call, we could look at and the, and in another call we can also look at an. So can you tell me when we use a while speaking? When do you use a?
When we speak about one thing,
Okay.
we use a.
So can I say can I ask you if it is singular or for plural?
For singular, ma'am,
Yes.
one item.
It's always a book, not a books.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. And when do you think we use the?
For some kind, specific kind.
Okay. So we use the with nouns.
Okay, ma'am.
And also when, like you're right, when you said specific things, when you're referring to a particular thing, then you use the. Like the boy fell down. So here you're talking about one particular person.
Okay.
Yes. And give me the book. So that means you.
So that was the part in which the coach does a mini teach session. It was a long audio and I cannot play that due to time constraint. That's why I played a few seconds of it to help you understand how the coach teaches the learner and what exactly happens in the mini teach session. So this was all about speaking coach call. Now, apart from speaking coach call, we also have another type of coach call that is based on writing call. So in case of writing call, the format is same like the speaking coach call. The only difference is that in the task 2, you will be given something to write about, which could be related to essay, work-based email, report writing, article writing, and so on. You will be writing about the same and you will submit the task, and then the coach will review it, provide you feedback about the mistakes that you made, and finally she will do a mini teach session to help you understand about the mistakes and help you clear your concept. So I hope you understood the basic format of a coach call, and I hope this helped you understand about the same. Now, moving further, once the coach call is done, you will be given assignments which you will have to submit to book the next coach call. That is another important feature of our course. So, for assignments, you will be given assignment based on the 4 different communication skill that we looked at, which will be related to speaking, writing, reading, and listening. So, based on these 4 types of modules, you will be given speaking assignments, and we have tried to incorporate a few of them here in this slide. There are obviously a number of other types of assignments that you will be getting, but it is not possible to incorporate all of them in the slide. So that's the reason we have taken a few examples to help you understand about the same. So in the speaking coach call, you could get a persuasive speech or an inspiring speech in which you will have to speak about it and submit it. This will help you to develop the different stress and tone that you should use while speaking. Similarly, for writing coach call, you will be given essay writing based on any topic which could be related to present situation or everyday life. This will help you to develop your writing skills. It could also be email writing and so on. Then for reading skills, you will be given reading comprehension, in which you will be reading a particular passage and then answering a set of questions that follows. Similarly, for listening skills, you will be listening to an audio that will be provided to you and then complete the sentences following that. So, these are the 4 areas and which helps you to develop your overall English communication. And these are the main areas in which our assignments will focus on. So, once you submit these assignments, you will be Is this course helpful in improving creative writing skills? Yes, of course, you will be getting to know about different writing styles, which will help you to improve your writing skills. I hope it helps you, Kritika, to improve your communication skills. Now, moving further, as you saw, these are the 4 areas which we discussed during the starting of this presentation. During the starting, we told you that listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills are the 4 areas where you should focus on to develop your overall communication skills. And that is exactly what a Step Coach Unlimited course focuses on. So it helps you to improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. That's not just it. One another convenient feature of Step Coach Unlimited course is that you can schedule the coach call anytime and anywhere as per your convenience. So let us look at some of our coaches and understand what exactly our coaches have to say about the same. So are you interested and do you want to know some of the features of this product from our coach? Are you excited to meet our coaches? Type yes in comments, please, and I'll be waiting for your response. Are you excited to meet our coaches who will help you to improve your overall English communication? That's great. That's a really positive response from you all. So I'll be playing a video in which our Coach Anjali, Step Coach Anjali, will tell you how exactly the learners find Step Coach Unlimited useful because of the convenience of booking the course anytime and anywhere as per their convenient time. So let us look at the same.
Our learners are busy. That's why they like Step Coach. They can schedule calls as per their convenience. Some of my learners call me before they go to office or even as they travel to office. Some make a quick call during their lunch break, while others like to call in the evening when they are done with their day's work. They say it's much easier to find 30 minutes for a coach call than to take the time and effort of traveling to attend classes. After all, they only need 30 minutes and a phone.
So that was Coach Anjali. Now, have you ever wished for someone to help you understand what are the mistakes that you make while you're writing and help you correct the same? We often come across times when we are able to read and understand, but we make mistakes while writing or while speaking in English. So, have you ever wished for someone to help you improve your grammatical mistakes? Well, that brings us towards our next coach. Let me introduce you to Coach Maha and let's see what she has to say about the same.
We have quite a few learners who have learned English either at school level or at college level, but still require a lot of improvement, especially when it comes to communicating. Yeah, and though having said that, we have quite a few learners who are already well spoken, but they have been growing up with this habitual, grammatical errors, and or maybe require an extensive vocabulary improvement. So as a coach, we help them rectify these errors and also help them not only with grammatical concepts, not just teaching them grammatical concepts, but also helping them or teaching them how to apply it in their daily life. Yeah, because we know what grammar concepts are, but utilizing them or applying them in the right context and at the right place is what makes a communication effective. So yes, as a coach, we ensure that this is met with and their goals are met with. And the best part of the coach calls being it's a 30-minute intense one-to-one session. So the attention that each learner gets from the coach is really good because we help them with their queries. We help them with, speaking better. So yeah, it has helped a whole lot of learners, and it is still helping a whole lot of learners.
So that was Coach Maha. She explained you how exactly our learners find the coach calls intensive useful for helping them improve their English grammatical mistakes, for correcting them pronunciation skills, and so on. So that's what Coach Calls actually focuses on. Now you have seen the features of our product, Step Coach Unlimited, in which you can book coach call as per your convenience. There are unlimited coach calls, 3 to 4 coach calls, or a number of coach calls as per your learning strategy. And also, the coach calls are based on one-on-one session, which helps you to improve the key areas which you want to improve. Someone might think that they lack pronunciation skills, so they would like to improve the same, which the coach will focus on. Or if a person B who wants to improve his speaking skills, so he can tell the coach about the same, and the coach will focus on helping him develop his speaking skills. So that's how exactly it focuses on one personalized attention. We also focus on everyday based tasks, which helps you to understand about how you can correct them. Which brings us to another poll. Now that I have introduced you to all the features of Step Coach Unlimited, I would like to know something from you all. So I'll drop a poll in front of you and you need to select the correct option. Which of these features are not available in Step Coach Unlimited? So if you were there with me throughout the session, you will be able to answer this question. Let's wait for a couple of seconds for you to answer them. All right. So 92% of you think, 88% of you think that face-to-face feature is not available in Step Coach Unlimited, and you are absolutely correct. We do not have this face-to-face feature right now. It's audio-based call, but apart from that, all the features that I explained to you right now regarding the assignments, the one-on-one coaching session, about the coach call to practice your speaking skills, writing coach call, and a number of video based lessons are present for helping you to improve your English language skills, which in turn will help you to improve your overall English communication, as we saw already. Now, let's proceed further to know more about Step Coach Unlimited. In Step Coach Unlimited, as the name suggests, it is ideally an unlimited coach call experience with one-on-one session with the coach. Not just that, in Step Coach Unlimited, we are providing you with a set of 5 different courses. So, in this, you will be getting Step for Working Professional course that focuses on everyday soft skills based on workplace communication, which will help you to understand how exactly you should respond to emails, what exactly you should use, what are the keywords that you should use at workplace, and so on. So, a number of lessons for Step for Working Professionals are included in this course. Next, we have Step for Competitive Exams, which we will also get in this course, which is based on the blueprint of all the competitive bank and government exams. It focuses on the verbal ability section of all the competitive exams. That's what Step for Competitive Exams is. Then we also have Step Coach Call feature, which I already discussed with you. Followed by that, we have 2 live class series, which focus on email writing, grammar, and vocabulary. So in live class series, you will be able to interact with the coach, see the coach, and respond to the questions through comments like you are doing here in this webinar. In the similar way, the live classes will be held. And in the live classes, you will be taught about email writing, basic etiquettes of email writing, what are the areas you should focus on to improve your grammar, vocabulary, and so on. So these are all the features of Step Coach Unlimited, which you will be getting with this course. Now, that's not just it. You will also get certification from the Hindu group once you complete this course. So, on completing this course, you will be certified by the Hindu group, which again will be beneficial for you. You can write that in your resumes and you can mention that in your LinkedIn profiles, which in turn will help you in your job opportunities and help you upskill yourself in your career. So that's what Step Coach Unlimited is, and it has been one of our successful courses which has helped our learners to improve their overall English communication. Now, let us look at what our learners have to say about the same. So, this is one of our learners who has been benefited taking up this course, Step Coach Unlimited. He is a PhD scholar from Nagpur and he took up the 3 months course initially, which he found useful and later switched on to a 1 year plan, which helped him to develop his overall English communication. And he says that the coaches are really helpful and experts in giving targeted feedback. I find I can now speak fluently and I'm constantly improving. That's what Rafat has to say about this course. Now, as we saw, let me just mention this also for you all, that in Step Coach Unlimited, the plan is of three different types: 3 months plan, 6 months plan, and 1 year plan. So, all these plans have different pricing and so on, which we are going to discuss in upcoming slides. So, she is also one of our learners who is an IELTS aspirant, and she has this feedback about Step Coach Unlimited. Step Coach did not just teach me communication skills for life; she taught me how to communicate. That's what Soumya has to say about this course. So, what do you think? Will this course help you to improve your overall English communication? Did you find the coaches friendly, and was it helpful for you to understand about the same? I'll wait for your response. And as we are coming towards the end of this webinar, I have something to offer to you, and I'm going to disclose this offer in a couple of seconds. So, as you all have joined us today in this webinar and you took out time from your busy schedule to understand about this course, to understand how exactly Step Coach Unlimited can help you to improve your overall English communication skills related to reading, writing, speaking, and listening, we are offering you this course today at 60% off using the code Step Coach. And this code will expire tomorrow, so it is valid only for today and tomorrow. So you can just click on the link mentioned over here and you will be redirected towards the website, and you can use the code Step Coach to get the course in 60% off. So sign up today and unlock the unlimited experience of learning with Step Coaches and improving your overall English communication. Well, let me also mention that we do not offer Step Coach Unlimited at such a less price because it is one of our premium courses with so many course features involved. So only for you guys who have joined us today, only for the attendees of this webinar, since we value your time and your dedication towards learning, we are offering this course at 60% off, only for the attendees of this webinar. That is, all of you present here today will get this at this less price. And let me also mention that this course and this offer will be valid only for today and tomorrow. We are giving you time so that you can make this wise decision towards improving your English communication skills. And if you want to contact our support team, or if you want to clear any doubts that you have, or in case you want to get in touch with us for some one-on-one feedback about the course, you can contact on the numbers displayed on the screen over here. These are the three numbers which is of our support team. So you can just contact them and they will help you in choosing the right course for you and helping you out making the purchase. Okay. Yes, so you can just contact our support team for the same, Bhavin. That's all that I had to share with you today. I hope this session was informative. You learned how you can improve your communication skills and you learned about Step Coach Unlimited. how this course focuses on helping you improve your speaking skills through immersive and contextual learning. Our sweet coaches are waiting to help you understand and learn about English communication skills and help you improve about the same. So I hope you will take up this course and become better English speakers, because English communication is one such skill which comes handy in every aspect of life, be it if you are a student or a working professional, or even if you are studying, or even if you're working somewhere. English language and English soft skills is important in all aspects of life, which will help you in advancing in your career. So do make this wise decision and take up this course to become better English speakers and confident English learners like our STEP learners. So I hope you have taken up screenshot of this sticky note, because once we end this webinar, this won't be displayed in front of you. So do take a screenshot of this offer, the code, and the registration link or the link to purchase, and also our support team's number. So do take up a screenshot of the same so that you can um, make the purchase and you do not misplace this code and everything. Okay. So I will wait for a couple of seconds so that you can take a screenshot of this. And now it's a Q&A time. So in case if you have any queries, you can drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. And then we will end this webinar. Okay. So I think most of you have dropped your questions. So I'll just answer them now. Kritika is saying, I'm positive that this course may help me improve my communication skills. That's great, Kritika. I hope it will. And all the best for your career. Lakshmi is saying, is this, yeah, I already answered this, creative writing. Yes, this course will help you improve your creative writing skills because we focus on different writing and speaking styles. Spandana is saying, is 30 minutes enough? See, it's not that you will get to have 30-minute session only once. You will get to have 30-minute session each time you book a coach call. And you can book 3 coach calls per week. More, and if you are able to complete the assignments, you can book more than that. So you get unlimited coach call. So that's the reason I think 30-minute session is not less. It's also designed to help you understand the skills. So it's not that the coach will come and teach you everything in one day. It focuses mainly on helping you understand, immerse yourself in the context and learn. So that's the reason it is designed to be of 30 minutes. And then you have to submit the assignments also to make you get a clear concept about the same. Pon Gundran is asking, I am preparing for civil service competitive exams. I mainly need to improve my English writing skills. How helpful this course is for me. So yeah, as you saw, I have already mentioned in Step Coach Unlimited, we offer the Step for Competitive Exam course, which is based on English preparation for all competitive exams. So you get that course free in the Step Coach Unlimited pack. So that will help you to develop your writing skills. Apart from that, we also have writing coach call session in which the coach will give you right mentoring about how you can develop your weak areas, and she will help you improve the same. So I hope that will help you to develop your writing skills for competitive exams. Spandana is saying, what if we want to improve more than one skill? Yeah, definitely you can. As I already mentioned, Step Coach Unlimited focuses on all the 4 skills of English communication, that is reading, listening, writing, and speaking. So it helps you to develop your overall English communication by focusing on all of these 4 skills. Kindly tell us how to elaborate an idea on a particular topic. Shivraj, you can just go through our Instagram posts. We do post about all these things quite often. And if you want to elaborate about a particular idea, you should focus on introduction, 2 to 3 key sentences that helps to get a connection between the same, and finally conclusion, which builds a connection between all of these ideas that you have developed. Priyanshu is asking what's the cost of this course. Original cost of this course has been mentioned in the website, which you can click on the link here and see it. Once you apply the code Step Coach, you will get it at a 60% off and the price will reduce. And this offer is only for attendees of this webinar. So you can just apply the code and check the price that reduces after applying it. I have many writing coach calls because I'm preparing for civil service exam. I'm facing problem with respect to converting my opinion into English language. Which course is suitable for me? Yeah, this Step Coach Unlimited is suitable for you because it focuses on English writing skills. It will help you to develop your writing coach call will help you develop your English writing skills. The coach will correct your mistakes. Followed by that, we also are offering Step for Competitive Exam course in this module, which will help you to learn basics of writing skills. Not just that, as already mentioned, you are preparing for civil service exams. So in civil service exams, you do have interview round. So in Step for Working Professional course, which we are offering in this course, Coach Unlimited, you will be getting to know about various interview tips and tricks, which will help you to prepare about interviews as well. So you are getting a complete package of all aspects of English communication in this course. So Step Coach Unlimited will be suitable for you. Don't worry. What will be the cost? You can just click on this link and put up the code Step Coach to check the cost of this course. And this link is for 3 months course. You can get the 6 months and 1 year plan link by contacting our support team's number, which is mentioned over here. And all of these courses are available at 60% off for attendees of this webinar who are present here today with me. How to write best answers in 7 minutes or 250 words. So I think you all can follow us on Instagram page to get tips and tricks about English writing skills and daily updates. So you can do that. No, we are offering it at a 60% off only for you guys, and the cost is not very high with respect to the amount of quality of learning and the amount of courses we are providing. We are providing you 5 different courses at this price. And you can, if you feel that the time is less, you can go for 6 months or 1 year plan as well. The module will be same for all of these. How the progress of step learner is measured. So we have AI based tool in which you get to know about what's the point in terms of 12 points, where you rank in terms of your speaking, reading, writing, and listening skills. And as you advance with the course, the pointer keeps on increasing to help you get an indication about how you have improved. How I can improve my vocabulary and spellings. So you can improve your vocabulary by reading a number of articles and noting down the words that you come across, and writing them down will help you improve your spellings as well. So Bhaskar is asking, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I want to translate my mother tongue to English for my profession. Then I want to develop my drafting skills. Which package will be helpful? So as you want to develop your English for professional English communication, Step Coach Unlimited will help you develop the same, and it will help you to understand about how you can improve your English communication skills. Our coaches will guide you and help you correct your mistakes. So this course will be suitable for you. Someone is asking, I'm preparing for TANCET, please give me best suggestions. See, if your course, if the syllabus of your course has English in it, then you can go for this course. Don't worry. And in case if you have any more queries, you can contact our support team on the numbers which are mentioned over here. So please save these 3 numbers so that you can contact them and clear your doubts, which you have, any further doubts if you have. that's all that I had to share. Thank you so much for joining in today for this session and understanding about how Step Coach Unlimited focuses on helping you improve your English communication skills, be it writing skills, speaking skills, and so on. I hope this session was helpful to help you understand about the same. The content of this course will be accessible from the website and as well as from our app, Step from the Hindu. So both app and website is available. App is available only for the Android users and website is available for both Android and iOS users. The validity of this course is 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year plan. So you can choose the plan as per your convenience. If you have any further queries, you can just contact the support team and they will help you out. Do save these three numbers that is mentioned over here, okay? And yeah, so I hope you all understood about the basics of this course, about how you can develop your overall English communication. You got an idea about the same. So, yeah, that's all that I had to share today. Thank you so much for joining in this session. It was really great talking to you all, interacting with you all. You all were really interactive, and the energy was quite positive that I got from you all. So, I hope you all will take up this course and become better English speakers and confident English learners. Okay, so thank you for joining us today. Do save this sticky note that is present over here so that you can purchase the course and take up this learning session. Just save this sticky note that is present over here. I hope you all have saved it. In case if you haven't, I'm waiting for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll end this webinar so that you can save or take a screenshot of the sticky note which mentions the code and the pricing and everything. And also do not forget that this offer is valid for today and tomorrow, so that you can take up the decision and buy the course to become confident English learners and speakers. So visit this website, use this code to make the purchase, and if you have any doubts or you want to get some further one-on-one assistance before buying, you can contact on the numbers that are mentioned. So do save this screenshot because once I end this webinar, it will be gone and you won't be able to see it anymore. Yep, I think you all have taken a screenshot of the same. So we will end this session now in a couple of minutes. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in today. I hope you had a good time interacting with me. Well, I had a nice time interacting with you all and understanding your problem areas and describing to you about our course. Our coaches are really excited to meet you all and help you all learn and improve your English communication skills. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope and pray that you become better English speakers and confident English learners. Best wishes to you all. Now I'm going to end this webinar. Thank you.